Hi, Dev. Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Wow, wonderful. So, Dev, as we have decided, the today's topic will be learning phases of human life. Okay, so
Okay.
today I am going to talk about learning phases of human life. What are every human keeps on learning, because learning is a endless process, right?
Okay.
And you need to learn about the learning phases of human life, what phases human will go through, and what are the things a person has to learn during the life, the common things, which is the generalized human life learning circle. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so I welcome you to the life learning earning, okay, which is a learning which will end for your life and which will give empower your life and it will make a better, right? So next slide. Okay. So end of the session, you will come to know 4 learning phases of human life. How many learning of phases of human life?
4.
Yes, correct. So end of the session, you will learn those 4 phases, learning phases of human life.
Human life.
Yes. As because we are human, right? So if I talk about the 4 phases, 4 learning phases of human life, the first is teaching. Which one the first?
Teaching.
Correct. The second is education. Which is the second one?
Education.
Then person moves down to the training.
Okay.
And at last, a person will seek for the development. Okay, so you can see the arrow from it goes from teaching to the development, right? So learning phases for the human moves. If you can see the arrow, it moves. It starts with the teaching, and it goes to the development, right? In a normal human life, we keep learning every day, right? And but there are some certain things, certain learnings are there. So we will talk about those things.
So certain means?
Certain means the specific things which a person has to learn, basic things, right? Certain means basic things a human should know. Like we are human and we have a life and we learn. So we have to know that there are 4 learning phases of human life. How are you going to learn during your life? That is you have to learn here. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, next. So let us see one by one. First is a teaching, right? So you go to the school, Dev?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And, so like you are going to study in the school till standard. Okay. And what are the things do you learn in school? Could you just share?
Learn basic hygienic, healthy habits, calculation, language, environment studies, etc.
Correct. So do you learn this, all the things in school?
Yes.
Are you taught that, why to brush your teeth and you have to take a bath?
Yes.
When you go to the road. So these are the things you learn in the school. Also, you learn about environment, right? And who takes a ownership for learning? Who is responsible to learn? First is
parents, teacher, or self.
Yes, parent teacher comes later on. First is you have to go to school, right? You have to learn. But you are still kid. So sometimes you don't like to go to school, right? Right? You feel like not to going to school. Then who will shout? Who will scold you? Teacher will scold you. Parents will scold you.
Yes.
They will keep shouting. They will keep following you for studies. Go and study. Go and study. Do they do that? Do your parent does it with you?
Yes.
Teacher also makes a follow?
Yes.
Dev, you have to study. You have to study. And Dev sometimes doesn't feel like to study, right?
Yes.
Right. So this is a part of teaching. And for human, it starts at the age of 5 years and it ends till to the 17 years. That means till the person reaches to the 12th standard. So you will go for a teaching where you will learn basic hygiene, healthy habits, normal calculations of transactions, because you learn, you go to the shop, you buy something. Yes. So if you don't know calculation, how would you make the payments and buy the stuff.
Yes. Yes.
Right? So this is you are going to learn till to the 12th standard. Is it clear?
Okay.
Should I move to the next slide?
Yes.
Fine. Next. Teaching, then next. Okay. Then comes to the education of university. Education means university studies.
Yes. No.
Yes. So till to the 12th standard, you will go to the school, right? And you will learn. And then after you will go to the college. Isn't it? So 3 years of a graduation plus 2 years of a master degree, then PhD, whatever you take the professional qualifications that comes under education, right? And during the education in the university studies, what will you learn? You will learn business and employability basics. Business and employability basics. Work, job, right? Government rules, regulations, policies, taxes,
etc.
right? Yes, etc. About the other nation, about the currency of different countries, different locations, geographical area. These are the things you will learn in a university studies. Is it clear?
Yes.
And who will be responsible for this? Yourself first.
Or professor.
Because parents, yes. Once you complete your teaching, your parents will not make a follow-up. Yes. Right? Only you and your professor. Yes. They will take a responsibility and ownership to develop you, to educate you. Right? Is it clear? Any question, Dev? Okay. Next. Training. Now, once you complete your education, what will you do? You will go for a work, right?
Job.
And there, yes, you will go for a job, or you will do business. Yes. So there you have to learn about the job and employability skills, because you don't know anything about the company, their product, their services. Right. So they will give you specific knowledge, skills, and abilities which will enhance effectiveness and productivity of your work and job. Right. So company will give you training so you can perform your job well. They will give you the required knowledge, skills, and abilities so you can do your job well. And who will be responsible for this? One is you will be responsible. Yes. You will. Yes. So you will be responsible yourself, because you have to work, right? You have to earn and you have to grow. And the other responsibility lies to the company, because company has to train their employees so they can work well. Is it clear? So once you complete your college, you will go to company. And there you will be given training. Right? Okay. Any question to this?
No.
Okay. Now moving further, training, when training person takes training, it is an ongoing process till the time person is on job. Right? There is no age, but before 18, people, in India, they do not work. Before 14 years of age, you cannot work around the world. So once you start working somewhere, then you have to undergo training. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next. Any question to till today what we have done? Teaching, education, yes. Training?
Yes. Training.
Any question? Do you have any question?
Yes. Yes.
What is? Tell me.
Training.
Training?
Yes.
What is the question? Tell me. Go to the training. He has a question on training. Go back. Okay. Tell me, what is the question?
Object and object.
Objective.
employees are given job work related training to
enhance effectiveness and
उसके बाद
productivity of their work and job. So they are going to work. Enhance means improve. So productivity, sorry, effectiveness. Effectiveness means uska asar. The effect of, like for example, if you will learn something, it will increase your effectiveness. Like cooking, once you do, you will come to know. So you need a training. Driving, for example, car driving.
Yes.
So you have to learn, right?
Yes.
Is it clear? So there, for example, if somebody has to go to the company and he is working as a, cashier.
Okay.
Yeah, employee, in a bank. For example, he is working as a cashier, right? He joins as a person who has to count money. He has to give money. He has to get money. So he will be trained on that. How to take a voucher, how to make it. Is it clear?
Clear.
Right? Any question? Shall we move further?
Yes.
Okay. Go to the next. Okay. Now development. Now what is development? It is a self-initiated thing. Like currently what you are doing is a development, right?
Yes.
Because this is not something which is mandatory, but you want to improve your life, right? So you want to learn something new. And it can be started at any age with the willpower. Any age. Like you are a kid, but you want to learn. So you have started. So it's a self-willpower to grow. Is it? It is not by force. No teacher, no parents are forcing you to learn this, right? Okay. And now, for example, let me tell you more about the development. What is development? Okay. If you see that in a school, like, if you remember, you were saying that one uncle was asking to learn English and he has his own shop, right? Why he wanted to learn English? Uncle has to go to the school. His teacher will scold him. Then?
No.
Then why he did?
Yes.
Why he wanted to learn? Because he wants
to go other country.
Yes, so he needs visa. What does he need?
Visa.
And for visa, he has to appear for a exam, IELTS, English test. And that is the reason he wants to learn, right? Yes. So now, is any teacher asking him to go and learn in the school?
No.
Is there parents following him for the learning English?
No.
But he himself wants to learn because he wants to grow, right? And that is called development. He is not into teaching phase, but he is into development phase, right?
Okay.
So in development, there are human learns a lot of things about self, about others, and that all the things we will discuss in this development, coming further all the sessions.
Okay.
So this is just an example that when it becomes a development means first is person should know the self. Person should know about the self. That who am I? What is my nature? What are my qualities? Which work do I love? Second thing, he has to know about the other human nature. How other human perform, what they think about the society, culture, etc.
Exactly.
Right? Yes. So this is called development. So you can, so that is called that is called psychosocial skill. Development means a word will be referred, will be psychosocial skills.
Psychosocial skills.
Yes. Psychosocial means first is psychology. Psychology means my internal feeling, my internal confidence, my internal knowledge that I should have properly. My own psychology, my own thoughts, my own, the knowledge, skills, abilities, this the self abilities, that comes under psychology. Social means when we go out, when we talk to the people, when we meet people, that becomes a social. So, when we club both, it becomes psychosocial. What it becomes?
Psychosocial.
Yes. So development is referred to the building of your psychosocial skill.
Psychosocial.
For example, Dev loves to work as a manager or as a teacher or a professor, right? And somebody will tell Dev that Dev, you do one thing, you are good as a chef, you go and work as a chef. So will you go and work as a chef?
No.
Why?
मुझे पता है कि मुझे जो करना है वो मैं करूँगा.
Correct. So that's called psychosocial words will not affect to you. है ना? लोगों के suggestions आप समझ पाओगे, आप क्या करोगे फिर? How would you behave with them?
अगर मुझे नहीं पता होगा तो बोलूँगा हाँ नेक्स्ट करूँगा. अगर पता होगा तो मैं हाँ करूँगा, लेकिन उसको जो है पता है मैं करने वाला हूँ क्या नहीं.
Correct. So you are knowing yourself well, right? And that's called psychosocial skill. So development means building up your psychosocial skills, right? And that we will discuss in the next session, right? So more in detail about the development we are going to discuss in a next session, right? Next slide. Any question? Okay. Now, can you recall all topics? Can you tell me what is teaching?
Teaching means basic calculation, English, country, environment, etc.
And till what age person takes it?
Means what? Tell me.
कितनी एज तक इंसान उसको लेता है? 12th standard.
Okay.
Schooling.
Till 12th.
हाँ, schooling तक. And then उसके बाद आप क्या सीखोगे? What will you learn to the next?
कॉलेज में बिजनेस का मतलब गवर्नमेंट लॉज, रेगुलेशन, रूल्स एक्सेट्रा.
यस. एजुकेशन कब तक होता है? एजुकेशन का मतलब यूनिवर्सिटी स्टडीज, राइट? व्हाट विल यू मीन? 18 to 23 maximum.
5 years.
And then comes to the training.
Yes. Training
का मतलब क्यों दी जाती है? कौन देता है?
कंपनी वाले देते हैं, मतलब कंपनी वाले देते हैं उसको, मतलब एम्प्लॉय को डेवलप करने के लिए.
हाँ, करेक्ट. एंड डेवलपमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है?
डेवलप करना, खुद को अपने को डेवलप करना, मतलब खुद को.
डेवलप का मतलब
विल पावर.
हाँ, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? साइकोसोशियल स्किल. डेवलपिंग साइकोसोशियल स्किल, क्या बोलेंगे उसको?
डेवलपिंग साइकोसोशियल स्किल्स.
साइकोसोशियल स्किल आपको समझ में आ गया? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय साइकोसोशियल स्किल? साइको मीन्स नोइंग सेल्फ वेल.
यस.
अपना नेचर, अपना कल्चर. अभी आपको क्रिकेट खेलना पसंद है तो यू विल बी क्रिकेटर. कोई बोलेगा आप शेफ बन जाओ तो आप थोड़ी ना बनोगे, क्योंकि आपको पता है आई लव क्रिकेट. हाँ, आई लव क्रिकेट एंड यू कीप प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. यू डोंट लाइक टू कुक, राइट? सो यू विल नॉट बी शेफ. तो लोगों के वर्ड्स आपको अफेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. नहीं तो आपको पता नहीं होगा कि आपको क्रिकेट पसंद है और आप अच्छे हो क्रिकेट में, तो आप क्या करोगे? कोई बोलेगा ड्राइवर बन जा तो ड्राइवर बन जाओगे, कोई बोलेगा शेफ बन जाओ तो शेफ बन जाओगे. तो वो तो उल्टा हो गया. हाँ, तो वो तो उल्टा हो गया, सोशियो साइको हो गया. मतलब लोग जैसा करते हैं वैसा हम करते हैं.
लोग बोलेंगे वैसा हम करेंगे. लोगों के
तो हमें ऐसा करना है, हमें ऐसी जिंदगी चाहिए. सोशियो साइको बनना है. हाँ, तो हमें सोशियो साइको बनना है या साइको सोशियो बनना है? क्या बनना है? साइको सोशियो, नॉट सोशियो साइको. सोशियो साइको मतलब समझ में आया? सोशियो मतलब लोग पहले कहते हैं फिर हम करते हैं, तो उसको बोलते हैं सोशियो साइको. हाँ, और साइको सोशियो क्या होता है?
साइको सोशियो में अपने को जो पता और वही अपन करे तो उसको साइको सोशियो.
यस, लोगों के वर्ड्स हमको अफेक्ट करते नहीं है. सो बिल्डिंग अप अवर साइको सोशियल स्किल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. तो नेक्स्ट सेशन आपका जो होगा उसमें हम लाइफ डेवलपमेंट के बारे में और कैसे करेंगे उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. इज इट क्लियर? आपका नेक्स्ट सेशन होगा, उससे पहले आपको थोड़े बहुत टेस्ट देने हैं, ठीक है, एंड यू हैव टू कम अप विद द रिजल्ट्स, राइट? सो दैट वी विल डिस्कस इन अ नेक्स्ट सेशन. एनी क्वेश्चन टू यू देव? कुछ पूछना है आपको? आप कुछ नया सीखे आज? क्या सीखे आप?
नया सीखा है कुछ.
क्या सीखा आपने नया? आपने नया क्या सीखा ये बताइए आप. लर्निंग फेसिस ऑफ
ह्यूमन लाइफ.
ह्यूमन लाइफ. तो अपने को याद रखना है कि हमने कौन सा टॉपिक सीखा. जब हम याद रख पाएंगे तो ही अप्लाई कर पाएंगे. ठीक है. सो 4 फेसिस आपको याद रखने हैं, और इसमें क्या क्या सिखाया जाता है जैसे मैंने बताया. तो आपको नोट्स बनाने हैं, राइट, एंड यू हैव टू सबमिट देम बाय द नेक्स्ट सेशन. ठीक है. सो एनी क्वेश्चन देव?
No.
Did you enjoy today's session?
Yes.
Right. So thank you and have a happy life. Okay. Happy learning. See you in the next session.
Thank you, sir.
You have been a very good candidate. Right. So see you in the next session. Take care.
Yes, sir.